Market sentiment is changing at an incredible rate. After yesterday's growth, the stock market kicked off today's trading session with losses, but recovered some of them by the opening of the US trading session. Now it's moving up. While investors are waiting for the results of the US presidential election, high volatility has gripped the market. There is no clear winner yet, and the counting of votes in many states continues. At the time of making this video, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index grew by almost 2.5% during today's session. Donald Trump showed better results than the polls predicted. He has won key battlegrounds of Texas, Florida, and Ohio. Earlier, these states were considered swing states. Joe Biden has won Minnesota and Arizona. In order to win the election, Biden needs to gain the majority of votes at least in 2 or 3 states from the top 5: Georgia, North Carolina, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, and Michigan. Both candidates may claim victory as more than 5 million votes in key states such as Michigan, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, North Carolina, and Georgia are still uncounted. Nevertheless, Donald Trump prematurely declared victory in the US election. Moreover, he threatened to stop the counting of votes and put the outcome of the election in the hands of the Supreme Court. Biden's campaign manager called Trump's remarks outrageous and incorrect. On Wednesday, the US dollar started to trade downwards and lost all its previous gains. The US dollar index, measuring the value of the greenback against a basket of 6 world currencies, declined to 93.47, mainly due to the results of the Senate race. They indicate a diversion of Congress. Investors are concerned about the adverse impact of new tough restrictive measures aimed at supporting the European economy. Earlier, Germany and the UK announced new lockdowns. It can be seen from the euro-dollar chart that bears do not have enough strength to drag the price below the support level of 1.1620. The pace moving within the trading range between 1.1760 and 1.1620, where traders can work with a view to breaking through one of the borders. Today, the British pound has hit its 2-week high but failed to consolidate there. Tomorrow, the UK is set to introduce a month's low quarantine. This news raises concerns about the country's economic recovery. Besides, the upcoming meeting of the Bank of England puts additional pressure on the pound sterling. Therefore, the pound-dollar pair is expected to continue losing ground and go below the level of 1.2900 on the 4-hour chart. Today's macroeconomic calendar is full of some important statistics from the United States: ADP non-farm employment change for October, trade data for September, as well as services PMI for October. In addition, on November 5th, the US Federal Reserve will announce its decision on interest rates. Finally, the US unemployment rate for October is scheduled to be released on November 6th. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.